Hello, my fellow Africans. Hope you guys are good. Somebody asked me, thanks, Mr. Kareem, a person who is still in Uganda. How does he get a freelance visa? I'll be grateful. Whether you're in Uganda, Kenya, Ghana, Gambia, Sierra Leone, Ethiopia, anywhere you are, does not matter. It's very easy. We just need your passport copy, your national IDs copy, your white background passport size picture, and a police clearance certificate attested from the UAE embassy. You send these 4 documents through WhatsApp and we can process your visa. And remember, for freelance visa, we charge 8,000 dirhams. That is 8 million Ugandan shillings, $2,200. That's for 2 years. And let me remind you, it's an employment visa, but without an employment. So it will be your own visa because you're buying this visa from us. So it will be your own visa, but without an employment. You can come here, do whatever you want. You'll be free to stay here for 2 years. Open your bank account, sponsor your family, even apply for big countries. No problem at all. The payment is done in 3 steps. First, you send us 4,000 dirhams when you send us the document.